Hey everyone, welcome back to GarnockReviews. Today we're looking at a Sportsman Masters 207 bay boat. This was on display at the Daytona Beach Boat Show earlier this year, and she offers fantastic value for money with a starting price of just over $40,000 brand new. This one measures in at 20 feet 4 inches long with a beam of 8 foot, and she can take a maximum horsepower of 150 horse. I love how this one can be used for both fishing and cruising. And I'm going to include a link to the manufacturer's website in the description below. They've got a great configurator tool, and that way you can adjust everything to suit your own needs and see how just versatile this boat is. I love how level the deck is. It gives you plenty of casting opportunities when you are fishing. And although it's not shown in this particular example, this boat can come with a hard T-top if you're looking for that additional shade and protection. So if we start off with the bow casting deck, on the bow you will find that there is different seating options available. You can have it open like it currently has. You can also fit cushions to either side, or you can go all out and have a large sun pad area up here as well. In terms of storage, the bow offers 2 large lockable rod storage boxes, and that's good for up to 10 rods. There's a large fish box as well as an oversized anchor compartment. And you can see we've got cup holders and grab rails moulded in as well. And underneath the seat that you see in front of the console, that's actually the bow live well. And that's insulated for those that want to fish up front, or additional live wells at the aft. I also like the use of pop-up cleats, that way nothing gets tangled in your fishing line whenever you're bringing something on board. On either side of the console, we've got 3 rod holders, giving you 6 in total. And there's also storage under the gunwales on both sides, so you've got additional rod holder space there too. I like the use of the tilt and lock system they have for steering. This has a 40-degree range and actually locks in 5 different places, so whether you're standing or sitting, you can always make it comfortable. And I like the use of the bolster seat for when you're at the helm. That way, again, if you wanted to sit down or stand up, you've got that option available to you. And behind that, we've got the rear fold-up bench seat. If you lay this flat, you've got a great casting space, but if you want to have this up, you'll get 2, maybe 3 adults sitting here in comfort. Underneath this bench, there is actually storage. And to both port and starboard, you've got a 20-gallon rear live well, but the starboard side actually features a Pro Air bubbler system to ensure the live well has an oxygen-rich source of air whenever you need it. I personally thought this boat offered fantastic value for money. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments down below. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.